Wow. Hi, Mommy. I like it. Okay. We like to
Bye, Ariel. Is it what you tell mommy? Bye.
Guys, bear in mind here that Ariel is just an escort. She is not going to school. This is what she does every morning.
You didn't even tell me bye-bye.
Bye, old lady.
If you're not to keep seats like this, how do you use to be comfortable? You are fine. You are fine. Ariel! Hey, mommy. Did you say go? Say
bye.
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 Lizzie, won't you tell me bye?
Bye.
See you. Okay guys, so now that they are gone, I can now even brush my teeth. That is how it is for me most mornings. So I'm gonna go upstairs and get ready for work now. Okay guys, so I'm in my office. It's about 7:45 a.m. already. I need to get to work, but right now I have to tidy up. Most times I spend my time jotting down stuff from the previous day or plans for the next day. So that's just what I'm tidying up here. And just get things together real quick before it's time to start to work. That's basically what I'm doing here, guys. Alright guys, so now I'm in my office. I'm ready for work, but before I start working, let me just show you guys around my office. So right there is my light, obviously, and that's Izzy's desk. When he still used to be at home, I used to teach him from school, and that's just my chair and a frame. And yeah, that's his board right there where he learns his maths and other stuff. And right here, this is my desk. This is what my desk looks like, obviously. So here I do have my gum. When I'm in the mood for gum, I go for gum. When I get my lunch upstairs and I forget to get a spoon, or I want to have quick ice cream, that's my spoon. Here I do have lip gloss, chapet, I'm sorry, lip balm. What do you guys call it? Lip balm. I have my AirPods. I have my flash drives. All my flash drives here. And here I do have my glasses. I have a headband just in case I'm not well dressed. We have days like that. I do have my hand cream here. I do have a speaker. I listen to music while I'm walking. And here I have my pencils, my biros, my sharpener. On the top part, I do have an emergency wig. If I do have to go into an emergency meeting and my hair is not well done, I pull up my wig. Here I do have the iPad that my friend did give to me. My friend gifted me this iPad back in February. Yeah, January, February precisely. Somewhere around that time. She sent this to me from Texas. This is my beautiful iPad. Thanks, Bisola. It's always in my office. I use it down here. And then here, I always keep my Donkwa. Instead of snacking on chocolate, I just kind of feel Donkwa is the best option for me. I like Donkwa. So, yeah, I do have cookies most times. Those are my books right there. Here, I do have my laptop bag. Yeah. Sorry, my camera bag here, it's open because obviously I'm filming. And here is my computer, my work computer, and right here is my personal computer. I do some work most times. See, that's my Power BI, Word sheet open. I'm working on some stuff. I also go ahead and have my videos on here. I edit my videos as well. And here I do keep my smoothie and 2 bottles of water every morning. I do have my supplement. My supplement is always here. I'm going to be taking one this morning. And here I do have an emergency toilet paper that I always keep here in case I spill water or something. What else can I show you guys? These are just my documents, like papers, like this now is a bill that I need to pay today, and other stuff I need to do. That's why I do have them here. So when I'm done, I just place it in there basically. So mostly bills, some papers that I'll just be needing and no need of me standing up rushing to go get them. That's that, guys. I just thought to show you guys what my desk looks like. Right now we're gonna be clocking in because it's 7:59. Supposed to get to start work at 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned. So it's my lunch break and I have been wanting to make this video, so I decided to use my lunch break today and make this quick video on this foundation. Next thing I'm doing is making my calls and paying my bills. Alright guys, so today I'm working half day, and well, not half day technically. I just got off at 4 and it's 4:06, so I'm rushing to go pick Izzy up from school. And while I'm going, because I'm hungry and I didn't have lunch, I'm snacking on some crackers. I'm super hungry, guys, so I need to rush and go pick Izzy up. I had to work short day today. Technically I would have gotten up in like another 45 minutes, but because today is Friday, I decided to take time off real quick so I could go pick Izzy up. So you guys should come along with me. Let's go pick this little dude up. Anytime I go to pick him up, I always have his Capri Sun and cookies in the car, because guys, the moment you're picking him up, he's like, "Mommy, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry." He's always wanting something to eat. So I'm not about that now. I don't want to hear that. So I always make sure I have it in the car ready for him. But you didn't tell me what you had in school today. And why were you in Miss Butler's class?
Because I was sleeping. I wake up, I wear my jacket on.
Oh! They always sleep in school, guys. So we're gonna rush home real quick. My mom wants to go to Costco. Hey guys, so we're about to go out to the store.
Oh, well, I'm looking old.
We're going to Costco. Mommy, I will upload this video. I must upload this video.
I'm looking bad.
So my mom wants to go to Costco, so we're on our way right now. You guys should come along with us. See you guys later. Bye. They said this is 14 carats yellow gold diamond.
How much?
How much is it?
A party.
This good. Yes.
What is this?
It's fine.
Inside tastes sour. Rainbow watermelon, blue watermelon, yellow watermelon.
My
She's shy. Quinoa salad.
I can't have it. I don't want you to have it.
This
I
is
can't
pork.
have it. Is it bad for you?
See, like this one now, this is Kirkland brand. This is Costco brand. Yeah. Yeah, you can buy it.
This one, one paper and then aside chicken.
Nope.
You can use that one or this one. Anyone?
Okay, instead of that paper.
Yeah. It didn't say organic 6 counts. It's too expensive, but 6 for $10.
Is there avocado?
I don't see avocado anywhere. This is avocado here.
That's me.
That's pear right there.
Okay.
4 is like $6.
I think I saw a remove one.
Okay guys, so I just got back from Costco and this is all we got right here. Let's start with this. This is the Vicky's Kitchen broccoli cheddar stuffed chicken breast. It says organic chicken breast with rib meat, broccoli florets. Well, basically 2 individual pouch stuffed chicken breast. This is what it looks like. And for this one, we got this for $19. Yep, $19.02. So that's that. And then right here, we do have the barbecue baked beans with brisket, beef brisket. For this actually cost $8.99. Seasoned drumsticks with garlic seasoning. Y'all already know I love chicken like this, so I'll eat this with some baked potatoes. I can't wait, guys. This actually costs $14.46. Yes, guys. And over here we do have pineapples. I can't even remember how much this pineapples cost. Let's see. Okay, so this costs $2.79 each for 1 pineapple, and these are the Marvel pineapples. And here, this is my best drink, guys. I love this California tangerine juice. This is super. It's delicious. This costs $8.69. The only disadvantage with this juice is you have to finish it immediately. Once you open it, you can't leave it in the fridge. If you leave it for too long, it gets bitter and the taste is horrible. So yes, tangerine juice. It's non-GMO as well, and this actually costs $8.69. This is Kirkland milk, which is a Costco brand. Let's see how much this milk costs. It costs about $3.82. Pear, we did get some pear. This is the Anjo pear. This costs, let's see how much, $7.69 for this pears. Yes, $7.69. And the bananas, this is bananas. Let's see how much banana cost in Costco. $2.79 for that. And for the watermelon, we did get 2 of those. Each watermelon actually costs, let's see how much this watermelon costs, $6.89. But it's huge. It's a huge watermelon. It's cheap. It's quite affordable. Why? Because we're in watermelon season. That's basically it, guys. And looking at everything that we did get here, guess how much all this cost, guys. Economy, oh, economy.